Please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Anas bin Malik, may Allah be pleased with him, narrated that Allah's Messenger, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Do not hate one another, and do not be jealous of one another, and do not abandon each other, and Allah's worshippers be brothers. It is not permissible for any Muslim to abandon his Muslim brother for more than 3 days." This narration is found in Sahih Bukhari number 6065. Our lessons in this narration include 1. A Muslim should not hate other people. It does not matter if they are not Muslim or not, or where they come from. Islam is a religion of love and kindness, so we should not hate other people. Even if they do bad things, we should hate the bad thing but not the person, because they could say sorry to Allah the Exalted and change. 2. Never be jealous of others because that thing they got, Allah the Exalted gave them. If you get jealous, it means you have a problem with the choice of Allah the Exalted. A Muslim never has a problem with Allah the Exalted. Instead of being jealous, be happy for the person. Ask Allah the Exalted to give you and others the same thing the person has. 3. Muslims are not allowed to abandon each other. If someone does something wrong, give them advice and help them. Would you like it if people abandoned you? If you got stuck in a dark cave, you wouldn't. When a person makes a mistake, it's like they are stuck in a dark cave, so don't abandon them. Help them. Remember, we are not angels. The same way other people make mistakes, so do you. The same way you want other people to forgive you and help you, you should forgive and help others. If you do this, Allah the Exalted will help you.